Hi everyone, let's look at question number 29 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from the investments topic and more specifically from the dividends and shares. Generally a very easy and straightforward type of questions, and this year as well there weren't too many complexities. So let's open this. You're told that Jana owns a portfolio and you're told the total dividend she has received, and what you need to work out is the number of shares in this company XYZ. So let's take this out. You know that 149.52, which is the total annual dividend, is made up of dividend from ABC plus dividend from XYZ, right? So we can work these out in pieces. So dividend from ABC would be equal to, you need to remember this formula. Basically, dividend is number of shares multiplied by the market price multiplied by the dividend yield. So in this case, 200 multiplied by 6% multiplied by 5.5, which will give you the dividend for the ABC as $66, right? Dividend for XYZ, again, you'll use the same formula. You can call it whatever you want. You can call it X. X multiplied by 4% multiplied by $6, right? So it's whatever that works out to be. Okay, then all you need to do is plug these two in here, which becomes 149.52 is equal to this 66 plus X times 4% times 6. Solve for X, which will give you the total number of shares that Jana owns, which is 348 shares.